Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, what I'm going to do is, this is the gear change lever, push that through. And when I took this apart, I took this off, did the clutch and the foot peg. So I'll put these back on. Okay, so when I push that in, it's going to push that out. Okay, I'm just looking at the photo I took early. So get that around about the same. That's too low. Must be there. Now, stop it from pushing out the other side. You might need slightly old push bike cotter pins. It's got to go out so I can go over. Here we go. And Loctite. Is that an 8? Six, 10.
Well, I stepped out early in the Reno sun, got my leather jacket and my denim on. I ain't looking for trouble, ain't looking for a fight, just
I'll come back when I find the sockets.
I walked up to the bike, gave the kickstart a stomp. Now I'm ready for the boogie, ready for the romp.
The reason I couldn't find it is because it was on the spanner.
Single cylinder singing the news. I got the Royal Enfield
Oh.
rhythm and the shaking blues. Yeah, right.
8 there, and there must be 10 on the bottom.
Well, we hit the corkscrew and we're diving deep, waking up the cool.
Yes, 8 on the top, 10 on the bottom, 10 on the nut.
Sleeping on the bitumen floor, giving that throttle just a little bit more. My brain is clear, man, I'm feeling so loose, just a running on the spirit and the premium juice.
Okay, that's done. And the foot peg. That's a 14.
Well, some folks say you need to sit and meditate, but I find my peace at a faster rate. I don't need no temple, I don't need no bell, just a twisting stretch of road and that hot oil smell.
I assume that fits. Okay, slightly forward. And lock tight.
Past the chain of ponds, water glistening bright. Heading for a little bit, till everything's
This side's starting to look like a motorbike.
vibrations rattling right through my bones. Better than the ringing of the telephones. It's a pure shot of joy, it's a rattling prayer. Just me and my baby and the open air. Yeah, go, go. Yeah, go, go. Yeah, the 500's pumping and I'm
Okay, now I'll go the other side.